I actually studied chartered accountancy and I've done BCom. Then I put a lot. 2017, I was working with Deloitte. Then I've had to face the parking issue. So working in a corporate from 9 to 6 or 11 to 8 on a daily basis. So I got pretty exhausted. Then I wanted to think beyond the corporate. Then I started working on something. Then I started researching as to what kind of technology which exists in India when it comes to the parking. So currently there is some technology existing which is a very old system, I would say. So then we wanted to look beyond something. So that's when me and my friend we were introduced to some technology, and then we've worked on something from our end, and so we've invented our bike parking machine here. So what it does, I'll tell you what it does specifically. So in the space of 12 bikes, we can enhance the space of 12 bikes to 72 bikes. That is 600% efficient. So let me be more specific. In terms of yards, we need close to 80 yards just to park this machine. So I'll tell you how it's going to help the urban India. So in Hyderabad, let's consider the city has about close to 80 metro stations. So all these metro stations are being overparked already. So they have exhausted the parking resource. So we are going to get this machine out there. We're going to take 12 spaces and convert that to 72 bike spaces. So that way it's 600% efficient. So how we plan to do is we plan to bridge the gap between the government and the end user. So the 12 bikes will be converted to 72 bikes, and there'll be more metro footfalls, there'll be more revenue, there'll be more public transport utilization. So along with that, having said that, we've already cracked a deal with the Cyberabad police. So they have parking requirement from us. So we are also going to take up 12 bike spaces from them and enhance it to 72. So we already got 2 parking orders from Cyberabad police, that Mr. Sajanar Kumar. So I'll tell you how it works. This is how the business model works for us. So we are going to incur our cost. We are going to set up this machinery at our cost in order to recover this from, in order to recover revenue out of this. So we've asked the government to help us with certain revenue models, and one of which will be the parking revenue, definitely. And the second revenue source will be the advertisement revenue that we get out of this. So also, if you see here, so there's a solar panel enabled parking system. So we won't be able to use it entirely, but a certain part of the machine can be run with the solar electricity. But otherwise, we just runs with a 6 kV motor. So currently, we already have orders in place. So we already started production for the entire life-size machine. So in the next 4 months, we are going to launch one machine in Hyderabad. So that will be the first in India, and this system is the first in India that we've launched, and India as such hasn't seen such a parking system. So for bike parking, the exact dimensions would be 20 feet by 40 feet, and in terms of height, it will be around 18 feet. Well, when it comes to the car parking, the space needed for parking 16 cars is just 2 cars. In terms of dimensions, it is 20 by 20, and in terms of height, is about 50 feet. So we can park 16 cars in the space of 2 cars.